After replacing the neutral safety switch, since the car wasn't starting in park anyway, the TE still exhibited the starter clicking issue. Today we removed the instrument cluster to access the back of the ignition switch, which is where the immobiliser had been cut into this start circuit. Bridging out the purple wire for the starter circuit with an amp meter also allowed us to check the current draw through this circuit. As you can see, around 1.25 amps is drawn at a steady state. A permanent purple bridge has now been soldered into place, effectively removing the starter immobilisation circuit. The lead to the immobiliser has been left intact for now, should we decide to repair the relay inside the immobiliser later. For now, the car is back to starting as it should, so we can safely assume this problem was caused by voltage drop in the immobiliser or caused by a faulty relay inside it.